Are you happy with your life right now? Your habits define you as a person, and they are responsible for all the things that you have and do not have in your life right now. It is not going to be an easy journey, as breaking habits you have had for a long time is going to be tough. But you must examine your habits and make the necessary changes if you want to truly succeed. Getting rid of your bad habits will totally liberate you. It is a great feeling to change something that has been holding you back for a long time. Forming new, empowering habits will also be a great experience for you and will make you feel confident about the future. But how do you do that? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how habits work and how they are formed. You will learn the 3 R's neurological loop and the time that it takes to make changes to habits. You will be able to break those bad habits which are not supporting the life that you want and form new habits that will empower you to make a positive change. You will learn how you can change your life for the better with the power of habits. You will learn how you can reinforce new habits. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you break bad habits and build good ones. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why you need to break bad habits. Identifying your bad and good habits. How habits actually work. Habit formation and breaking bad habits. Forming new habits using the 3 R's. Change your life for the better with the power of habits. Planning your successful habit transition. New habit reinforcement. Empowering habits you should live by. Best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually break bad habits and build good ones. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know how habits work and how they are formed. You want to know the 3 R's neurological loop and the time that it takes to make changes to habits. You want to form new habits that will empower you to make a positive change. You want to reinforce new habits. You want to break those bad habits which are not supporting the life that you want. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on breaking bad habits and building good ones, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you break bad habits and build good ones. I'll see you on the inside.